Do you usually put filters to your raw data and then filter to show the items that you want to show? For example, with this data here, you go to the Home tab and then you press Sort and Filter and press on Filter. That makes these small arrows appear and you can filter on the item that you want to show. This is kind of time consuming and not very easy to do. In this video, I will show you a way to do it much quicker and more user-friendly. Perhaps you used something called a slicer when you use a pivot table, and the slicer is a visible box with all the different items, and you can just pick the item you want to filter. An easier way to do it. And you can actually do it with raw data like we have here as well. All you need to do is to stand in your data, go to the Insert tab, press on this table icon. Here it says, is this the data you want to convert to a table? Yes, it is. And with a table, you see now that you have another tab in the ribbon, and here to the left you have slicers, and you can choose the columns that you want to have a slicer for. Press on OK, and here you have them. So now it's easy to just select the item that you want to filter. So you can see here that it filters the values that you selected in these slicer boxes. It's much more user-friendly to use these slicers. So my recommendation to you is to use a slicer unless you want to have like a number filter or a specific text filter. For example, all units above 1,000 or something. Then it's better to use filters instead of slicers.